students, my name is Hafsa Shahid, and today we are going to start FSC first year physics chapter number 1, which is measurements. So first we should know the meaning of measurement. Measurement means the act of measuring something by its length, width, distance or volume, etc. So today our topic is introduction to science. Ever since from the earliest word, the man has started to observe and think, and the reason for this is that he has been wondering about the natural phenomena of the world around him. He tried to find the ways to organize the disorders prevailing in the observed facts about the natural phenomena and the things in an orderly manner. So after his observations, he did different experiments, and at last his attempts resulted in a birth of a single discipline, which is science and is called natural philosophy. The word science is actually taken from the Latin word scientia, which means knowledge. And the proper definition of science is it is a study in which observations are made, experiments are done, and the logical conclusions are drawn in order to understand the principles of nature. Branches of science. Up till the beginning of 19th century, there was a huge increase in the volume of the scientific knowledge. So at that time, it was very necessary to classify the science into two major branches, which are biological sciences and physical sciences. Biological sciences are the sciences which deals with the study of living things, and physical sciences deals with the study of non-living things. Now we are going to study the frontiers of science. At the present time, there are three main frontiers of science. Number one is the word of extremely large. Second is the word of extremely small. And the third one, the last one, is the word of complex matter. So now we are going to study these all frontiers in detail. So the first frontier is the word of extremely large. So this frontier involves the study of extremely large objects. For example, the study of universe itself and the study of radio telescopes, which gather information from the far side of universe and have detected recently as the radio waves. And one more example of this frontier is the firelight of Big Bang, which have probably started off the expanding universe nearly 20 billion years ago. Big Bang theory is the start of world, and the firelight are its radiations. We will discuss about Big Bang theory in the next videos. So the second frontier is the world of extremely small, which includes the study of very small particles such as electrons, protons, neutrons, mesons, and others. And the third frontier is the world of complex matter. This frontier is also known as the world of middle-sized objects. This frontier includes the study of the objects from molecule at one extreme to the earth at other extreme. We can neither study the particles which are smaller than the molecule nor the objects which are greater than earth. So this is the introduction of science, and I hope you understand this concept. And if you have any confusion about any topic, so you can ask me in the comment section below. If you like my videos, so please give them a thumb up and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Bye for now.